Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, I just want to use this opportunity to thank as many of you that have been supporting me on this channel. I say may the good Lord bless you all in Jesus name. So guys, in this video I'm going to be making coconut candy. So coconut candy is one of my favorite snacks. When I was little up till now, I still eat coconut candy. Coconut candy is always on my fridge. It's not something I can do with. So anytime I always go there just to snack on it. Guys know now. So guys, today I just want to take you guys along to show you guys how I prepare my coconut. Let's dive into it. Over here is my two coconuts. I have two coconuts here. So when I shake it here, still shaking, which means it's very okay. So over here I have my cup, my measurement cup. I have my pestle. Yeah. I have a knife over here. And here I have sugar cane, organic sugar cane is what I'm going to be using on this recipe. Please, if you know you are diabetic patient or you are allergic to sugar, please, this video is not for you. So it's very important that you know, though it's organic sugar, but I don't still recommend it for those people that they have diabetes. We are going to start by breaking our coconut. So over here is my coconut. I've just washed it. That is why you are seeing it like this. I soak it inside water. So I'm just going to pour out the water. So this is how it looks. I'm going to chop it. So I'm going to set that aside while we continue our coconut. So I'm going to remove the shell off camera, then I will show you guys when I'm ready. So I just finished. Now what I'm going to do is to start to grate. This is my grater. So I'm going to start. This is how it looks. So I'm still going to do a little for you guys to see. Oh, yeah. So guys, I'm going to do the rest off camera, then I'll show you guys when I'm ready to put it on the gas. So I just finished now. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my sugar cane. So this is how it looks. This is one fifth, 1/4 of sugar is what I'm going to add into it. So I added the coconut milk, the little water that came out of it. I just added it. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. So I'm just going to continue to stir. So this is how it looks after about some minutes. So what I'm going to do is just to continue to stir. So it has already started to change its color now. So what I'm going to do is just to continue to turn it without stopping. I'm going to continue. With the way it is now, it is okay if you like it like this, but I love mine to be, to have that more brownish color. So that dark color is what I like. Some people do leave it like this and say it's okay, but for me, no. Guys, this is the finishing part. This is how it looks. So I'm okay with this color now. I'm just going to turn off my gas. This is it, guys. If you know you love coconut candy like me, hurry now. My address is at the description box below. Hurry guys, I'm waiting so we can disgwagwa this coconut candy together. Thank you also so much for your love, for your support. I appreciate you guys. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.